I'm David Kenny with the Mississippi Department of Transportation. We're here on Highway 43, which was officially closed to traffic on Monday, July 28th. Crews here already making significant progress on an emergency bridge repair on a road that is as old as the reservoir itself. The repairs taking place here on Highway 43 between Highway 471 and the Natchez Trace Parkway. Work here involves repairing a void that has formed underneath this bridge approach that has caused the end wall to erode, which, if not repaired, would eventually result in a roadway failure and render this highway useless. Since the closure took place Monday, crews have driven piles and placed base material. After driving sheet pile, crews will focus on backfilling the affected area with granular material. After this granular material is in, the area will be formed up for the approach slab. This work is critical and will prevent a greater inconvenience and a greater danger in the future. Your safety is non-negotiable. If not addressed, this void would result in a roadway failure and a permanent closure of the roadway. During the temporary closure, drivers should detour around the closure via Highway 25 and I-55. Although the closure is in a nearby location, this is a different area of Highway 43 than the bridge that was temporarily closed in 2022 for a bridge deck overlay. And just because the road is closed does not mean everything else is. All businesses, boat ramps, and parks will remain open and accessible during the temporary road closure period. Stay updated on this emergency bridge repair by following MDOT on social media at Mississippi DOT.